guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're on December 7th for the Madam Glam Advent Calendar. Like I said in my last video, I did make a playlist of all the unboxings. So if you guys missed any of them, they will be linked in a playlist at the end of this video. Or you could go ahead and just check my playlist on my channel and you can find it there. So yeah, we're on December 7th. I'm super excited to see what Madam Glam has for us today. So let's go ahead and get the box out. So this is what we're looking like for December 7th. Love the packaging as always. It's matte black with like little dots on it, holographic, super cute. So I'm gonna try to guess what this might be. I'm thinking it's a polish. So let's open it up and find out. Oh. It's actually a peel off base coat. Let me zoom you guys in here. It's a peel off base coat. I do have the Madam Glam regular base coat. We did get that. I forgot which day it was, but now we have the peel off. Somebody said yesterday in my comments that somebody unboxed this for yesterday's gift, and I was thinking that they probably ended up peeking at it and put it back in the wrong box, because everybody that I watched who's unboxed the gifts from Madam Glam in this advent calendar, we've had pretty much the same thing so far. So yeah, they probably did peek or something like that. But yeah, this is the brush. Peel off base coats are really good if you plan on, like, you know, taking your nails off really quickly. You can just apply the peel off base coat, do your nail enhancement on top of it, and then after that you can kind of use like a little cuticle pusher to like loosen the sides and just like pop them right off. And you can always I guess put them back on if you wanted to kind of do like reusable press-on type things and stuff like that. It's really like versatile. You can do a lot of stuff with peel off base coat, so it's really good that they included this in today's gift. That was really, really nice. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's gift. That was super nice. We got the peel off base coat. I'm excited to see what tomorrow's gift is looking like, and the box is a little bit bigger for the 8th, so maybe it might not be a polish. Maybe it's polygel again. I'm crossing my fingers, but I really don't know. Like I said, I've been having good willpower this whole month of December. Unlike everybody else, I didn't peek. I didn't peek at all. Not one bit. Not one bit. But yeah, as always, the links will be in the description box, and my discount code, which can only be used on non-sale items. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.